Welcome to Henry's show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today, we're going to do Unit 3 search vowel E. Let's start. At, jet. Jet is like an airplane. Net. We play soccer, and we also need a net when we play a soccer. And shoot a goal, God will score one with his team. This is a net and a vet. A vet takes care of an animal. He or she is an animal doctor. He or she is called a vet. And wet. If we spray water on my clothes, it will be really wet because the water is all on my clothes. Step 1. Add. We're doing 3 kinds of it. Add, bad, add, or add, red, and hen, and pen. Let's move on to the next page. Bed. Number 1. Okay, where's the bed? This is a bed. We sleep on a bed. Number 2, where's the thing that is wet? It is wet. Great. Number 3, hen. Where's a hen? There, a hen lays an egg. Number 4 is a vet. Let's find a vet. Where is it? Here he is. Vet. Number 5, jet. It is a jet. I told you jet is like an airplane. Number 6, pen. It is a pen. Great. Now, is it a rat or wren? It is a rat. Number 2, is it a vet or vet? He is a vet. Number 3, it is a net or nen. What do you think? Net. Okay, yes, it's not that. It is net. And it is not nen. Number 4, is it a bat or a ben or a bat? Bed. We also have a word called bet. Like example. Like we have one question. With A, B, C, D. One person said that C is an answer in this question. And one person said that D is that we have only A and B. And one person thinks A is an answer in this question, and another person thinks that B is the answer. So, one will say, let's have a vet. If I am correct, you need to give a candy. But if you are correct, I will give you one candy. It is like a bet. Okay? It's a bet, but we're learning bet today. Number 5. Pet. No, pen, yes. We also have a word called pet. Pet is called dog, rabbit, cat that we can help. Like hippo, elephant is not a pet. They are an animal. Dog is a pet, not an animal. I think we can say that is an animal. I don't know. But we have a word called pet. Number 6. Is a jet or jet. It is a jet. Listen and circle. I will say the word and you need to circle what I said. Number 1, wet. Number 2, vet. Number 3, jet. Number 4, bed. Number 5, pen. Number 6, net. Okay, are you all correct? Great. I see number 1, wet. It is wet. Number 2, vet. Number 3, debt. Number 4, bad. Number 5, pen. Number 6, net. We're going to check. The bed is wet. The bed is red. What do you think? Is it wet? No, it is red. It do not look wet and it does not look red because you have another color. But I think this is more good because they're not wet. Number 2, the net is wet, the jet is wet. What is wet? The net is wet. Number 3, the hen is on the jet, the hen is on the vet. It is on the jet. Okay? Because if hen is on the vet, they need a person. The net is on the jet. The net is on the bed. Where is it? Do it look like a jet fly? But do the bed fly? That's impossible. But when we imagine that bed is flying, yes, it feels like the bed is flying. Or it's a dream about it. But it never happened. The net is on the jet. The net is on the bed. The net is on the bed is the correct answer. The vet has a hen. The vet has a pen. What do he have? He has a pen. Now let's turn to page. Let's read the story. The man goes to the bed. The bed is red. The hen goes to the bed. The bed is wet. The hen has a nap. Oh, the hen is red. Now the side word is goes, has, is, the two. The man goes to the bed, right? And the bed is red. It's painting. The hen goes to the bed. So the bed is wet. The hen takes a nap. Oh, the hen is red. When it goes up, it will be red. Okay, our side words goes, has, is, the two. Let's trace and write. The middle word is E. We're learning short vowel E, so please write E. That's at. Jet. Jet. Number 2. Okay, write all E, I think. At. It is net. Net. Number 3. It is at. I think it is net. Okay. Vet. Vet. Number 4. Wet. Wet. Number 5. Okay, it is at, bet. Bet. It is add. That is the set and red. Red. Number 7. E. N. Hen. Hen. Number 8. E. And. Pen. Pen. I think we learned pen in Smart Phonics 1, right? You need to remember it. In Smart Phonics 1, we learned the letter P, p. Now we learned, and we also learned N, okay? Pen, p, and pen. This N is n, but E-N. You can also say N, the letter of N. You can also say N like that, E-N. It's cool, right? So we can say pen. Next time, we are going to do Unit 4, short vowel I. Okay. Now, see you soon. Bye.